So, the best healthy drink is smoothie. Diretso pang detox na siya sa ating internal organs. O, diba? Food is a medicine if you prepare it in a right way. So, this is the right way. Fresh smoothie drink. So, if it's hard for you to eat, you can just make a smoothie and drink it. So, right now, what we gonna do ay ang detox smoothie. So, we have cilantro, parsley, yan, 1 lime, lemon, and black garlic. I'm gonna add the black garlic, 4 pieces, and carrots, cucumber, maliliit yung cucumber natin, kaya dadamihan ko 4 na piraso at 4 na pigs kasi hindi siya masarap, guys. So, ayoko naman siyang itapon kasi ang mahal-mahal ng pakabili ko dito sa figs. At saka ito, may turmeric tayo. So, wala akong organic ginger. So, turmeric ang gagamitin ko. Pwede din siya may turmeric or ginger. Usually, I add ginger. So, naubos ko na yung aking organic ginger sa paggawa ng natural antibiotic. So, ito, beets. Ang beets kasi, guys, beetroot, kay partner ng pomegranate. So, wala akong fruit kasi super mahal ng fruit. So, juice na lang ang binili ko. And lemon juice, pineapple juice and coconut water. Natural source of electrolytes. So, yan ang ating gagawing smoothie. Of course, syempre, kailangan nyo ng magandang blender. At i-blend natin yan. Huhugasan muna natin to. Here you go, guys. So, i-blender na natin siya after na-cut. So, medyo maingay lang to, guys, ha. Eto na. Uy, punong-puno, oh. So, this is good for 4 to 5 days na, guys, oh. Hindi siya nasisira, guys, kasi may lemon at lime siya. So, laging combination ang lemon at lime kasi magkaiba ang properties ng kanilang nutrients. So, kailangan lagi silang pair. So, ayan na. So, cheers! O, diba? Healthy. And then, the rest, itatransfer ko siya sa smoothie glass ko, sa smoothie jar, or smoothie tumbler. It's so yummy, guys. Manamis-namis na maasim. So, ito ang aking very healthy drink. Supposed to be early in the morning, but since I went outside, so late na. So, okay pa rin kasi hindi pa ako kumakain, guys. It's 2:20 in the afternoon already. I don't have my meal yet. So, it is still good because my stomach is still empty. So, 1 glass a day, detox na at healthy pa. Good for detox. So, always pair the pomegranate and beetroot. It's good for blood circulation. You see, guys, that's why I have a beautiful skin. Oh, di ba? Nagpipinkies. Kasi dahil yan sa mga iniinom ko at kinakain. The healthiest food you eat is the raw vegetable and fruits. Because when you cook it, it's lesser the nutrients and vitamins. But some, like carrots, when you cook, that's how you get the lycopene and also the tomatoes. But other vegetables and fruits, it's better you eat raw. So, more nutrients, more vitamin C. Sarap. Super yummy. Diba? Very healthy ang ating inumin. So, ganyan ako, guys. Ganyan ako pag nag-smoothie. Maramihan. Kasi, I don't wanna do it every day. You can stack up this until 1 week or 1 week the most, because There's a lime and lemon. That's the preservatives. Natural preservatives is lime and lemon. So don't forget, if you want to preserve it in your fridge, doesn't gone bad. Even 2 weeks. Before I used to make a juicer, and even 1 month it doesn't gone bad when you add lemon and lime on it. So sarap, di ba? May turmeric siya, anti-inflammatory. Ito ang pagkain ng ating liver, kidney, ano pa ba? Lungs, at puso. Yung blood circulation natin, maganda kasi may pomegranate siya, saka beetroot. So that's the best combination, beetroot and pomegranate. Isang baso pa lang, busog ka na nito eh. Hindi ka na makakakain ng pagkain. Kaya magandang ito ang unahin mong inumin sa umaga kasi hindi ka na masyado matatakaw sa pagkain. So, lesser food na ang intake mo kapag nag-i-smoothie ka. So, ayan na ang ating smoothie. At itong 2 tumbler, smoothie tumbler ay lalagay ko sa... I'm gonna put this in the fridge. So, tomorrow I can drink half of it or 3/4 and same as this. So, good for 3 days or 4 days, these 2 tumbler, guys.